Hi, today we're going to go over how to insert a delivery or a pickup fee or any kind of service code to an invoice that's already been created or while you're creating an invoice. So to do this, we want to go to the counter menu, miscellaneous invoices. Here in change mode, we can either search the invoice that we're looking for by using this magnifying glass, or we can enter the invoice number in. Perfect. This is going to pull up the details of the invoice. At this point, we want to hit accept. This is going to give us the assets that are on the invoice. We want to accept again. And at this point, we get to the invoice total page where we can add our services to our invoice. To do this, we want to window in here on the services. And we want to add the service code that we want to add. So we want to hit add at the bottom. If we know the service code, we can type it in. If not, we can use the search. And we can select the service fee that we want to add. In this case, I'm going to do a delivery charge. Put the code in, hit enter. If you've got the amounts pre-populated, when you set up the service code, it will automatically populate for you. You can change the quantity as well. So if you have 2 delivery charges, you can change that to 2, and it will extend it out to the $160. If the amount is incorrect, you can modify this just by typing over it. Any notes, you can add the notes as well. If you want to add an additional service code, we want to hit add again. Look up the service code. In this case, I want to do a pickup charge as well. Again, enter through, and then I can change the amount or leave the default amount. And then we could put a note here as well, to be determined. You have the option here to print this note on the invoice itself. Unchecking that box will not print that for you. I can hit accept. I'm going to accept my way out. And I'm going to say OK. And I'll just print the invoice just so you can see how it looks. There we go. If we scroll down to the bottom, we can now see my delivery charge here of $100 and my pickup charge of $100 with the note that I want to add on there as well. Again, any questions, please feel free to call our support department. Thank you.